Hello class 7th, welcome to online classes of HPS. This is your English class. So, let's open our book, page number 25. Which of the people admitted being afraid? जो डर को कबूल नहीं कर रहा था, द्रविड़. Definitely didn't have any surgery. किसको सर्जरी नहीं हुई थी कोई भी? हामिद. Liked part of the preparation for the surgery. किसको पसंद आई थी preparation? नगमा. Had been outdoors just before being taken to the hospital. Dolly. Maybe it's Dolly. Got help from a doctor which didn't involve medical work. जो मेडिकल वर्क से रिलेटेड नहीं था फिर भी उसकी हेल्प करी. हामिद. Now fill in each blank with the most appropriate word. Arun's uncle was hurt in a road accident. I'm sure my friends were unaware of my problem. Unknown नहीं, unfamiliar नहीं, untold भी नहीं, unaware, नहीं जानते. It took a long time for my broken leg to heal. भरने में बहुत टाइम लग गया. Narayan has no thought of life beyond his village. विलेज के बाहर उसको कोई लाइफ नहीं सोच सकता हो. मिस्टर शर्मा इज इन चार्ज ऑफ द अकाउंट्स डिपार्टमेंट. The leader's speech had a great effect on the people. Now next page, fill in the blank using the most appropriate word from the list. इनमें से आपको कौन सा appropriate कहाँ लग रहा है वो you have to fill that. Okay, now Kulan arrived at the hospital in an ambulance. एम्बुलेंस में आया. At first he didn't feel anything because he was unconscious. Unconscious था इसलिए उसको कुछ फील नहीं हो रहा था. But when he regained consciousness, लेकिन जब उसको consciousness वापस आ गई, जब होश में वापस आ गया, the pain was unbearable. दर्द बहुत ज़्यादा था, असहनीय था. unbearable. The doctor decided he would have to have an operation. इसका ऑपरेशन होगा. Straight away and gave him an anesthetic. When Kunal woke up after the surgery, he felt terrible. बहुत भयानक सा लग रहा था. His head and eyes were bandaged. उसके हेड और आइज बैंडेज थे. However, the doctor are delighted with the outcome, कि जो रिज़ल्ट था of the operation, उससे बहुत खुश थे. And even Kunal is optimistic that he will be discharged from hospital soon. और उसको पूरा विश्वास था कि वो जल्दी ही डिस्चार्ज हो जाएगा. Okay. Now, are the underlined verbs right or wrong? Rewrite the sentences correctly where necessary. ये जो underlined verbs हैं ये correct है या नहीं, ये हमें check करने हैं. Bob is a friend of mine. I know him very well. This sentence is correct. ये सही है. Bob is a friend of mine. I know him for a long time. I have known him for a long time. इसकी जगह क्या आएगा? I have known. Sue and Ellen are married since July. This is wrong. Sue and Ellen got married in July. The weather is awful. It's raining again. It's correct. The weather is awful. It's raining all day. It is raining for whole day. It has been raining. It has been raining. हो सकता है ये करेक्ट हो. It has been raining. I like your house. How long are you living there? That's right. Swami is working. Swami has been working. For आया है इसलिए has been. I don't know town well. That's right. I gave up drinking coffee. I haven't drank it for a year. That's a very old bike. How long do you use it? How long has it been used? Okay. Completed this in your book. We will continue it in the next video. Okay. Goodbye for now. Have a nice day.